set to 14. Number 16, Alex. Drive. 2 points. Score natin 5 points.
Babakan!
Number 23, pinasa kay Mano. Wala na.
Bola!
Number 19, drive. Wala. Sa kanapan ng bola, assist to 14. Number 16. Ay! Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18, another 2 points. Score natin 17 per block. Number 15, Ulico. 2 points lang.
Nakilala, bakante!
Score 7 3-point lead by Team Lock. 6 minutes 40 seconds remaining time. Passing for 3.
Foul.
May foul si number 7. First personal, second team foul, Black.
Naku, wag sana dapat ganun ba? Delikado yun.
Ayun, nandito si number 19. Isa na lang, kalamahan ng Black. 6 minutes, 10 seconds. Ganda ng ikot, wala na. Ano ang mukha na panagali? Number 16.
Yes!
Another 2 points, change favor tayo. 1 point lead by Team Mocha. Nice pass para kay number 41.
Libre!
Change favor ulit.
Time out.
Sige po, pagkat.
Surpass.
Score natin 9-8 by Black. Number 19 to number 16, thinking 3.
Yes!
Ayun na yun.
Change favor ulit, 11-9. Mocha. Time out, Mocha.